In the next minute or so, I'll show you how I keep my TV screens fresh and clean. I'm James Papadopoulos, and this is TechSpank. So while they do sell a bunch of special TV cleaning stuff, what I use is pretty simple and uses stuff that I find around the house. You might want to check your manual to see what they recommend, but this is what's always worked for me. Take a small cup and pour in around a tablespoon of isopropyl rubbing alcohol with around a tablespoon of water. Now, if you want to get real picky, use at least 70% alcohol and use filtered or distilled water. I'm not picky, so I use the great New York City tap water that I've got lying around. Mix it up, and that's it. Next, dip a lint-free cloth. One of those microfiber ones are best, but I've actually used paper towels before and the TV didn't explode or anything. Now, don't get it too wet and wipe the screen down. You don't want to get it too wet because then the water might drip down into the bottom of the TV and that could actually cause damage. And there you have it, a simple way to clean a TV without buying all sorts of crap. For bonus points, if there are vents in the back, use a vacuum hose attachment and suck out the dust from in there. That'll help keep it cooler and it might extend its life. For more tips, check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe on YouTube and follow TechSpank on social media. Until next time, I'm James Papadopoulos. Thanks for watching.